Hello guys, welcome to Zaitun Tats Plus channel on YouTube. Yesterday I have uploaded a short video about how to make Panorama in Photoshop, and some people requested me to make the long video, and today I want to record the long video to learn it better. To watch the video till end. We open our Photoshop and we open the spec, and I will add the link of this image in the description. Now we come to image, then image size. We turn off this. This image is a square, and now we come to filter, then we come to this to distort. Now we come to shear. This is like when we open, it's like this. We make it like this. Now we click on OK. Now we come to filter, then we come to distort. After distort, we come to polar coordinates. Now we click on OK. Oh, sorry. Now we come to image, then image rotation and flip vertical. Now we come to filter, distort, then polar coordinates. We click on OK. Our image has done. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Have a nice day.